Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. Today I'm going to show you how to get a monthly data pack at a cheap price and how to receive a bonus on every recharge you make with your Etisalat Five SIM. Support us by subscribing to Tap and Solve so we can continue to grow and bring you more useful content. First, install the Five app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once installed, log in using your mobile number or UAE Pass, enter the OTP you receive, and you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now tap on Spin and Win. This gives you a chance to unlock a super deal. You can view all available data bundles here, and you'll also see the best deals highlighted just for you. If you want to recharge and get a bonus, simply click here. For example, if you recharge 10 dirhams, you'll get 2 gigabytes of free data, valid for 3 days. The more you recharge, the bigger the bonuses you receive. You can also find 15-day and 30-day data packs, starting from just 10 or 20 dirhams. An amazing deal. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful and beneficial, please subscribe to Tap and Solve. Your support helps us bring more valuable content for you. Best of luck and thank you for watching.